Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my downstairs bathroom and I decided today to do a 5-minute very quick skincare routine. Let's be honest, these days skincare is so important, and I've definitely been one of those people who've been super vigilant when it comes to taking care of their skin, which you guys yourselves have noticed over the past 2 to 3 years. For those people who ain't got time in the morning for some reason, either you've slept in, or you're in a hurry, or the kids are in the way, or whatever it is, you still want to do your skincare routine but you ain't got time, we are going back to basics. We are going back to the classic cleanse, tone and moisturize. However, we don't want to forget using SPF because it is incredibly important. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is washing my face, and I'm going to be using this by Good Molecules. It's their Clarify and Cleanse Bar. It's basically a soap, and it says it's a soap-free cleansing bar formulated with white willow bark extract, kaolin clay and cacao powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne-prone skin. I'm somebody who's got problematic skin. I've got normal to combination skin as well. I don't really tend to get spots anymore, but I do get the occasional breakout here and there. So this kind of product is excellent for that. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a stone on the beach, a piece of turd, whatever you want to call it. It's got a very earthy scent to it. So what we need to do first off, my face is completely dry, there's nothing on it, I've not done anything to it, I've just had a shower. So first thing off is to seriously lather this up, because it is a soap at the end of the day. Even though it is described as being soap-free cleansing bar, it's just in the shape of a soap, so we call it soap. And to lather it up as much as possible and then wash your entire face. Make sure to do it for at least 60 seconds because that is the most important part of cleansing your face. You don't have to double cleanse in the mornings. I tend to double cleanse just in the evening. So what you're supposed to do is wet the cleansing bar in your palms with lukewarm water to create a mild lather and massage it into your damp skin, and make sure that you completely keep it away from your eyes. Rinse it off and pat it dry with a clean towel. Alright, so now your face should be feeling nice and clean and slightly tight, because at the end of the day it is soap. And also, I don't know about you guys, but it also depends on what kind of water is available in your area. What I mean is hard water or soft water. I live in London, we've got hard water, so that also means that you're more likely to get more dry skin. And if you've got soft water, you don't get that problem necessarily. So next up is the toner. You can't forget that, very important. I'm going to be using the Pixi Collagen Tonic, which contains collagen and peptides. It's a volumizing toner, but obviously it's completely up to you. The glycolic one is also great, but this is new and I really wanted to use this. So it says that collagen and peptides help promote a youthful looking complexion. Coconut water adds hydration, while sea salt helps remineralize skin. It's also alcohol free, great for all skin types, and you should use it daily after cleansing. So that's exactly what we are doing now. And I tend to use it all over my face, including my eyes and my neck as well. Please do not forget your neck. Now, while you let that dry, the next and final step is moisturizing, but also you can't forget your SPF. And I've got this new product by Clinique. It's called the Clinique Superdefence SPF 40. So it's for fatigue, for first signs of aging, multi-correcting gel. It's for all skin types, 100% fragrance free. So basically it's a moisturizer and an SPF all in one. So again, the whole purpose of this video is for it to be a very quick skincare routine, no acids and that sort of thing, because we don't have time right now. So the good thing about having something which is combined is really helpful when you don't have that much time at all. So all you need to do is basically smear this all over your face as you would do a normal moisturizer, and you are good to go. You should never be stingy when it comes to moisturizer or SPF. Can be stingy with other things, but not that. And voila, you are done. How quick was that? Really, honestly guys, if I wasn't talking to you, etc., and if this was normal everyday life, it would probably be done in even less than 5 minutes. My face is cleansed, it is toned, it is moisturized, it is protected, and we are good to go for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick, simple and easy skincare routine. I will definitely be doing more skincare videos, as I promised you guys, while we're all on lockdown. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.